Hello people, this is Taker Official and I received in my mail the box with two figures, and I think it's from inxstation, and thank you very much. And I think it's the Grand Line Volume 8 Ben Beckman and Shanks. So I'm going to open the box. So here we go. So here is the box. Here is the figure. Oh, Ben Beckman, the Green Line Man Volume 8. And the Emperor Shanks from the Green Line Man Volume 8. It's from Japan, from Hong Kong. So here is the from the Red Hair Pirates. So this is the Decker Official. So anyways, thanks for watching, and thank you Adrian from inxstation to sell me those figures, those cool figures. So anyways, thanks people, bye.